my lovelies, welcome to my channel and my art studio. I am Mrs. B, your Catholic art teacher. Last week we did an independence special, boys and girls, and we drew this lovely display of exotic fruits for the Independence Special. And here I have colored it in for you to have a look at it in another dimension. But boys and girls, I'd love to see your work. I haven't seen any of your fruit baskets yet, so it would be lovely to see what you have done. Now today, boys and girls, we're going to draw because we're in the month of November, flowers. We're going to be drawing flowers as a way of offering them to our dearly departed. Boys and girls, I'm sure you must know in your family maybe a member that has died, and this is the opportunity in the month of November to pray for their souls, that it may rest in peace. So boys and girls, let's get started. We're going to draw a cluster of flowers, rosemary and petunia. And flowers has always been associated with our Blessed Mother, boys and girls. And so when the apostles went to our Blessed Mother's tomb, they found it was filled with fragrant flowers, confirming that our Blessed Mother was taken up to heaven after she died. And so flowers you will find in Mary's garden, and these are different flowers, and they symbolize different things. So the rosemary is Mary's tree. Okay, it symbolizes Mary's tree, and the petunia is Our Lady's praises. We can also do an Antherium lily, which is the lily is purity, is a symbol of purity, especially if it's a white lily, it's a symbol of purity. So boys and girls, let's get started. So first of all, we're going to draw the rosemary. So we're going to draw a line going like this. So rosemaries have very fine leaves like this. So we're going to draw some fine leaves like this. And we're going to draw another cluster of those leaves again. In fact, I know that some of you all drink rosemary tea, but you know it has an amazing flower. It's like, goes like this, and it has, look at the petals go like this, and then it has another petal going like this. It's a purple color, and it's really delicate and pretty, and you know, you can have a look at it and see. But that's the rosemary, the flower. We're gonna have some more leaves going around it like this. It has the rosemary is famous for the leaves, and you can, that's what we usually use the leaves to do our tea. All right, so that's the flower, the rosemary flower. And the petunia, it's a very interesting flower. So it starts off, we'll do one here and maybe two over here. So it starts off with a circle like that, and then it has like 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has the leaves going like this, like it's like something like that. Really a pretty flower. And then you won't see it in this design, but it sort of has like, it's almost like a cone coming out from there, and then it goes down like that. So we're gonna just draw that coming down like that. Let's do another petunia. This time we'll do it like, so you can see the cone shape going to it like that. And then you have that circle in the middle. It's almost like a star shape, boys and girls. It's almost like a star shape. So yeah, that's how it looks. Something like that. And that flower is deep purple. Deep purple. Really, really, I'm telling you, it's really pretty. Really nice purple. So that's another way that we can have a look at this petunia. So we have two here. I said one, but we ended up having two. And then maybe we can just have one coming here like that. And then I'll just draw it like that again. So boys and girls, while we're drawing, let's take the opportunity to pray for our departed brothers and sisters or relative, you know, who have died, for their souls to rest in peace. So the prayer goes like this: eternal rest grant unto them, O Lord, and let perpetual light shine upon them. May they rest in peace. Amen. And may the souls of all the faithful departed, through the mercy of God, rest in peace. Amen. So just let's end this this lovely bouquet of flowers with an Antherium lily. So that's the leaf. And then we have the Antherium going like this. And it's like a love heart, like that. It's really pretty. And boys and girls, there we have our beautiful bouquet of flowers. The petunia, which represents Mary's praises. The rosemary, which is our Blessed Mother's tree, or Mary's tree. And the lily, the Antherium lily, which represents purity. And make sure this is white. Okay, this Antherium is a white one. And the rosemary is purple. It's a light purple, but the petunia is more of a deep purple, really gorgeous. And a lot of people use the petunia when they make wreaths for the dead. So God bless you all, and I can't wait to see your drawings. See you in the next one. Bye.